Howdy folks, welcome back to Terry Family Adventures. Today I'm trying to become bulletproof and we're going to do an unboxing video. We got us a new welder.
Terry Family Adventures.
There we go folks. That right there's our fancy plug. Runs the welder. We got ourselves some welding rods and a chipping hammer and a nice solar powered helmet. Got us some gloves. Down in there's some soapstone. And this is our fancy new welder. Let's open it up. Oh, they sure do package this thing well. Let's open this thing up. Let's see what we got in here. Got ourselves an operating manual. I'm not about to lift that out of there. Ooh, it's got box. Of course, it's in here backwards. Got us an electrode holder. There. What's in here? Oh, there's the ground. Pretty. Looks like it has some setup. Take a look in the instructions and we'll see which way it has to go. Did I mention this nice Lincoln electric coat? I don't know if I did earlier, but got the leather sleeves. It's fire retardant and definitely need one of these for welding. After consulting with the manual, it says that the top line, the top cord, which is longer, is the one for our electrode. And the bottom one, which is a little bit shorter, is the one for our ground. And so, let's get the handles hooked up to this thing. Not a whole lot of bells and whistles with this welder, just good quality. This is actually the kind of welder that I learned how to weld on, and so that's why I chose this one. I mean, it most definitely was not the cheapest one. I could have gotten a cheaper brand, a cheaper model, several other places, but I'm familiar with this type, and so there's no reason not to use what you're familiar with. We just gotta pop this screw out of here. And then we'll be attaching the wire to it. It's pretty self-explanatory. And it's super easy. It's just so after you get the electrode part apart, remember to put the sleeve over the wire. There you go, it just screws on in. Make sure you get it straight so that the handle will fit over it right. Tighten it up. Put the sleeve back on. And there you have it. It's hooked up. That's hooked up. So now that we've got a welder here, we can start making some of those sweet fabrication videos that everybody's been looking forward to. The first thing we'll probably do is, we obviously don't have a welding table, or I'd be up on the table right now. And so the first thing that we're going to make is a welding table. So stay tuned for that. And thanks for watching.